Hello, today we will guide you through how to install a license key on Payhip. In this walkthrough, we'll enable unique license keys for a product so each customer receives their own code after purchase. This is especially useful for software, templates, or any digital item that requires activation or controlled access. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Payhip account and that the product you want to protect is already created. Begin by heading to your Payhip dashboard. This is your home base for managing products and settings. If you manage multiple stores, quickly confirm you're on the correct store so the changes apply to the right catalog. At the top of the dashboard, look for the Products menu. It's your gateway to everything you sell. Go ahead and click Products to view your list. If you have many items, you can use the search bar or filters to find the product you want to license. Once you see the product, hover over it or open its options and click Edit. This takes you into the product editor, where you can adjust details and advanced controls. Inside the editor, locate the option to generate unique license keys. Click to enable it. Turning this on ensures Payhip will assign a one-of-a-kind license key to each successful order. That key will be delivered to the buyer alongside their download and in their confirmation email, helping you clearly tie each purchase to a specific customer. Next, open the related settings for the license keys. Here, review the available options and make sure they match how you want keys to be created and shared. Keep an eye out for choices that affect the format or delivery of the key so it's easy for customers to recognize and use. When you're satisfied, click Apply Settings. This confirms your selections inside the editor. You're almost done. To make everything live, click Save Changes. Saving is essential. Without it, the licensing configuration won't be published to your product. Wait for the success confirmation so you know the update is complete. That's it. You've enabled unique license keys on your product. From here, consider adding a short note in your product description telling customers they'll receive a license key after checkout and where they'll find it. Clear instructions reduce support requests and make activation smoother. If you later update your product or pricing, the license key setting will remain in place, but it's always good to revisit the editor to confirm your preferences. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the added protection and professionalism that license keys bring to your Payhip store.